Hi there and welcome to this 2-minute tips video, and today we're looking at the playback display options. So there's a lot of functionality that can be customized in the Nikon Z series cameras, and one of those is to do with the playback of images, where we can choose the information screens available during playback for photos. So when you're in playback mode, as we've shown in a previous video, you can use the up and down on the multi-selector to scroll through various screens of information about your image. And in this, the playback display options, we can select which of those screens show up when we scroll through, so we don't have to have all of them available. We can pick and choose the ones we find most useful. So to access this, we go into the menus, we go back to the playback menu, and the third option down is playback display options. And here, if you go into the option, you'll see there are various information screens shown. Those with a tick against them are the ones that will show up when you scroll through, and if you leave it blank then they won't show up. So it's a really great opportunity. You'll also see that you can there's an option to add the focus point, so you can see where your camera is focusing in those screens. So to select them, you either use the touch screen or you scroll down and use the right selector, and then when you've finished you either touch OK on the screen or hit OK, and that will set what you see when you scroll through the different playback options on a still image. So it's a great way that the Z series cameras and some of the more recent DSLRs allow you to tailor the camera to how you use it. So let me know in the comments below, which of the information screens do you find useful? Have you got only those showing, or do you still have to scroll through all of the different information screens to get to the ones you want to use? So is this a piece of functionality that you'll find useful? I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of future videos. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in a future video.